Hello, guys. Good morning to everyone. As you know that I always inspire you by many thoughts and by many motivational speeches. As usual, I would like to tell you a nice proverb. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. It means if you have a little money in your hand, it will be much more beneficial for you. In the hand of others, if anyone has a lot of money, that money will not help you. The time which is in your hand, it will always help you. It will always guide you. So, in our life, we should always try to depend on ourselves. Self dependence is always better for us. We can achieve anything for what we have been aspiring for a long time. As you know that what we think, in the same way our life is done. Our life takes the form according to our thoughts. So, always create high thoughts in your mind, and these high thoughts will always take you to the bright side, towards brightness. But in the life, never ever be hopeless. Hopelessness is very bad for anyone. It doesn't help us to go towards our goal. That's why we should always be hopeful. God always helps us. We must believe in God. God is everywhere. He is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. He always helps each and every creature. That's why always depend on yourself. If you depend on yourself, you can understand the real existence of life. You will always be active, and you will do your work with great patience and with great enthusiasm. That's all. Have a good day to all of you.